upon verification of, I guess it's a new lease or whatever it is. Execution. Okay. All right. I think I understand what we're doing. So get that to us. Get the lease signed, get that to us, and then we'll take care of it from there. Okay, folks?
Thank you.
Thank you, Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case of ESA Management versus Elizabeth Kurtz.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Crystal Herm is appearing on behalf of plaintiff ESA Management for Extended Stay America.
Elizabeth Kurtz. She's here. You can stand right up here. Hello. All right, where are we on this case? I think we were at 630750 last time or something along those lines.
I can say something.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, I work hard. I live outside of conventional housing. I was laid off about 10 years ago. And since that time, I built a business. It's a street business where I sell street paper. And I don't receive any state aid, government aid, Section 8 or anything like that, but I have been able to maintain housing, especially at the extended stay. I don't have any representation because the legal aid system really doesn't support or represent who are staying in hotels. Because the Michigan law is pretty vague on hotel stays when it comes to tenants. But I'm at extended stay. It is a hotel that gives you, after 30 days, it gives you tax exemption. And
You were supposed to file a written answer.
okay, I understand that. Actually, I did. And I sent it to you. I mailed it to you. And today I recognize that it had gone to the wrong email. And I have documentation for that.
You emailed it to me?
I sent it to you, but I didn't know it had been rejected until I was preparing today, shortly before I was preparing today.
Okay, did you get it to counsel?
It's in my phone, it's in my documents.
No. You sent something to the court. Did
Well,
you send?
I sent it, but it didn't arrive. because
Okay, not my question.
Actually, it didn't say.
Not my question. Did you send it to opposing counsel?
Who was opposing counsel?
Counsel for the plaintiffs?
I wasn't aware that I needed to do that.
No, forget.
And that's what bothers me. You know, I live outside of conventional housing. It's hard enough to stay afloat. There's not a lot of legal representation. I haven't put together. everything.
Ma'am. Yes, you're gonna have to put it together on your own. We're giving you resources to contact. You can contact the University of Michigan. You can contact whomever.
Sir, I
But-
contacted the University of Michigan, in past cases. They were unable to represent me, specifically in a case like this. Legal aid does not represent.
So you're gonna have to represent yourself.
Absolutely, that's why I'm here.
Then I need a written answer,
Okay,
and it needs to be sent to opposing counsel.
okay, can you give me additional time to do that? Because I can't do it here because I don't have.
What is the monthly rent?
Actually, it varies, and that's the reason I'm here, because I'm supposed to get my tax deduction after 30 days.
Counsel, what is the monthly rent?
Your Honor, it's on average 84 cents a day. And at this point,
I'm sorry, you broke up there. It's how much per day?
$86.44 on average per day. And it is the outstanding balance as of today, August 30th, is $9,539.
Yeah, I have had, gradually, fees that have been added into the account. I pay much more than 84 a day. I have, a receipt here that for,
Ma'am,
was $1,083, and that doesn't represent a lot.
ma'am, I'm going to need you to give in writing all of your defenses to this action. A copy of that answer needs to be sent to counsel for the plaintiff.
I have received that address today to where it's at.
It should be on your pleadings that you received.
I received a summons and I received a notice to quit. Notice to payment of vacate premises.
Okay, and do you see where it says plaintiff's attorney?
So if you,
Okay, look on the left-hand side, look on the right-hand side,
on the summons or on the.
on the summons, at the top.
Yeah, I see the plaintiff's name. I don't see necessarily a phone number. There's no email.
For Pete's sake. Hand me your paperwork.
I don't see any email. I'm glad to be. I didn't.
Right here. There's a phone number. There's an address. You can call them. You can get an email address that you can send it to them. But you need to file an answer. You need to file an answer and you're operating on borrowed time. Counsel, I apologize for this. I would ask your opinion on this, but I'm going to do it this way anyway. You need to file an answer by September 5th.
I appreciate it, Sean. But, you know, it really bothers me that people in my situation are given the short end of the stick on every.
On what short end of the stick have you gotten on this case? Tell me one that you've gotten here. Ma'am, I've given you a week to get representation. The very fact you could not find it doesn't put you on the short end of the stick. I then told you that what you'll have to do is you'll have to represent yourself. You said fine. So I'm telling you how it's going to run. You are not getting the short end of the stick from anybody in this courtroom. And I resent you saying that about what happens in this courtroom, because anybody that comes into this courtroom doesn't get the short end of anything from this judge. So I'm done even addressing that. You will have an answer into the court to opposing counsel by the 5th. I will set a next hearing in this matter for September 6th, 2024 at 3 p.m. I'm also going to order escrow to be paid at an amount of $86.44 per day, payable every 7 days to the court.
And why am I representing myself, sir?
Excuse me?
Why am I representing myself?
Why are you?
Yes,
I don't know that I can answer that.
you can't, because there's no legal counsel available for me in this state. So that's what I mean when I say I'm getting short of it.
The escrow that you have to pay to the court must be paid in cash to the court. You can take it to the front window. They'll be more than happy to take it and give you a receipt for that. Pardon?
Okay. I'm unable to pay escrow today.
Ma'am? I ordered that escrow will be paid in the amount of 86. Do not interrupt me again. Escrow will be paid in the amount of $86.44 per day. It is due and payable to the court every 7 days. That's my order. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you, counsel.